Which one is actually better, Kakobuy or Cnfans? Let's break it down, because if you've been looking into shopping agents or cross-border buying platforms, you've probably seen both of these names pop up everywhere. And honestly, at first glance, they look kind of similar. But once you actually dig into how they work, the differences start to matter a lot more. One of these is clearly more user-friendly and beginner-focused, but the other might give you more control and flexibility depending on how experienced you are. So yeah, there's no absolute best, but there is a better option depending on how you shop. Let's get into it. So first, Kakobuy is a shopping agent platform that helps users buy products from overseas marketplaces, especially Chinese e-commerce platforms. It basically acts as a middleman. You find products, they purchase it for you, store it in a warehouse, and then ship it internationally. It's designed to simplify cross-border shopping, especially for people who don't want to deal with language barriers or complicated shipping steps. Now, on the other side, Cnfans works in a very similar way. It's also a shopping agent platform that helps users buy items from Chinese marketplaces, consolidate packages, and ship them internationally. So at a basic level, both tools do the same core job. They help you buy products from overseas and ship them to your country. But the experience? That's where things start to differ. A. Features. Kakobuy focuses heavily on simplicity. The interface is generally more beginner-friendly, making it easier to search for products, place orders, and track shipments without feeling overwhelmed. It's built for people who want a smoother, just-tell-me-what-to-do experience. Cnfans, on the other hand, offer more detailed controls. You often get more customization options when it comes to shipping methods, warehouse management, and ordering processes. So Kakobuy equals simpler experience, Cnfans equals more control and flexibility.
B. Performance or effectiveness. In terms of reliability, both platforms generally do their job. They help you purchase and ship products successfully. But users often describe Kakobuy as more beginner-friendly and smoother for first-time users. Less confusion, fewer steps, and a more guided process overall. Meanwhile, Cnfans tends to appeal more to experienced users who already understand how agent shopping works and want more control over every step. So effectiveness depends on your experience level. Beginners usually feel more comfortable with Kakobuy, while advanced users might prefer Cnfans. D. Price or value. Now, here's the interesting part. Both platforms don't really own product pricing, since they act as intermediaries. Your final cost depends more on product price, domestic shipping within China, international shipping fees, service fees. So in terms of raw value, neither is automatically cheaper. But here's the practical difference. Kakobuy feels more all-in-one simple, which reduces mistakes for beginners. Cnfans gives you more control, which can sometimes help optimize shipping costs if you know what you're doing. So value depends on how experienced you are. At the end of the day, both platforms do the same core job. They just approach it differently. One focuses on simplicity, the other focuses on flexibility. And your choice really comes down to how comfortable you are with the process. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest comparisons.